Welcome to this GCSE revision topic on indices. So let's read the question first. Simplify, leaving your answer in index form. I like highlighting the important information so that you know what's going on. Now, leaving your answer in index form means leaving your answer with a power. So when you're finished, it should be a 7 with some sort of power. Let's see what we've got. 7 to the power 8 times 7 to the power 3 times 7 to the power 1. They don't have a 1 there. That's deliberate to throw you off. But there is a 1 there because it's 1, 7. So all you've got to do is add the powers here. 7 to the power 8, add 3, add 1, which means that that's going to be 7 to the power 12. And that's 1 mark in the bag. On the next question, you have a power inside and a power outside. These two powers will multiply because you have two sets of 4 to the power 7. So basically just multiply the powers and 4 to the power of, what's that, 14. 2 times 7 is 14. Now on the next one, we're going to now need to simplify what's happening on the left-hand side first. Please don't forget, speak to your examiner. Let them know that you know what you're doing. So set your work out properly. So at the top of the left-hand side, I'm just going to say left-hand side here. I'm going to have 5 to the power n add 3 because in indices, when we're multiplying, we add the powers. So that's what I've done there. And then that's going to be divided by 5 to the power 6. Let's carry on simplifying that. So this becomes 5 to the power n add 3 take away 6. Why? Because the power at the top, which is the whole thing you've got there, needs to subtract that power at the bottom. So that's why we've got the whole top take away 6. So this then works out to be 5 to the power n take away 3. Now, all of that on the left-hand side is equal to the stuff on the right-hand side. So that's then going to be equal to 5 to the power 4. Now that you've got the same base, where you've got 5 and 5, all you've got to do is equate indices, or in other words, it just means remove the power. So I'm going to say equate indices. And that's going to mean that n take away 3 is equal to 4. It's really clear here that you need to add 3 to both sides. Add 3 there. And so n will equal to 7. 7 is the answer, and that's 2 marks in the bag. You will get a method mark if you end up on this line and then you decide that you can't do anymore. Anyway, that's it done in 3 minutes.